Yesterday I did a really small Azure standard pickup order, and before I put it away I figured I would show you what I got. I grabbed a 4-pound bag of white corn masa. This was $6.97. I grabbed 32 ounces of this coconut oil. This was $13.28. I also grabbed a 10-pound bag of all-purpose flour. I get this every single time I order pretty much. And this was $14.87. I also grabbed some of this ginger. It's 1 pound of ginger. I'm going to toss this in the freezer and then just use it as I need it. And this was $6.30. I also grabbed this avocado oil, and this is the balsamic vinegar. I went with the 4-star balsamic vinegar. I haven't tried any of the balsamic vinegar from Azure yet, so I'm excited to check that out. These are the new 17-ounce jars that they have. This is the bottle against the 16.9-ounce Aldi balsamic vinegar. So this is definitely a thicker glass than the Aldi version. I believe they started doing these bottles after the fire, and I really like that. I also got 8 ounces of vanilla extract. This is my favorite vanilla extract, so I decided to stock up on that. And then last but not least, this minced garlic. This was $11.32, and this is 1 pound. So I will share with you below the prices for all of this goodness. This was a very small order this week. I think it was like $80. And now we are going to put this away and get these tomatoes out of the dehydrator and fill it back up with some more, because this is what my counter looks like after a weekend of not preserving. These are all washed tomatoes. I washed them as I brought them in. I just went out and picked some parsley, so I need to dry some of that because I have not dried any parsley yet. Toss some of these tomatoes in the freezer for sauce, and I'll show you right here. I started dehydrating some squash, and these are the extra sun-dried tomatoes that I'm going to toss into some olive oil, I think, or make this into powder. I'm not quite sure yet. To make those dehydrated tomatoes, I've just been tossing a layer of tomatoes in each dehydrator tray every single day. I had the intention to do the Every Bits Counts challenge, but as the first week of August came to an end, I just realized that the only things that I preserved was peaches and tomatoes, just because my garden wasn't fully producing yet. So instead of uploading every week, I have been preserving daily, and at the end of next week, the end of August, I am going to share all of my progress in my pantry. It looks so different this year than last year. I am so excited. I have a newfound love of dehydrating any and everything from tomatoes to corn to all of my herbs, and I have almost no room in my freezer from tossing peaches to paste tomatoes in, but that's such a great problem to have, so I will not complain a bit. Now that summer is slowing down, I hope to be much more in the mindset to get videos out for you. But until then, I hope that you have a great week filled with delicious food and lots of joy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.